think we're live. I'm just going to start. I presume we're live. Okay, cool. I'll just check that we are streaming. Yeah, we're streaming. Okay, awesome. Hi, Leanne. I'm going to walk you through my landing pages. So I'm going to share my screen. Come over here, and I'm going to come over here. All right, so here we are in MailChimp. First thing that we need to do is we need to look at our audience. And now this is the first tip that I want to give you. Now, I'm not an absolute MailChimp specialist, okay, or you know, a specialist with this, but I like to just have the one list and then I have different components of the list tagged. So, for example, Tash Ashwin newsletter, right? So everyone who joins my list goes into my newsletter list, right? But what I can do if I go manage audience, here, tags, learn more about tags. So I can tag people or tag different things that I've done, right? So I'll show you here all of my tags. I've only got a super small list, 300 people. So I've got a tag for my 5-figure months webinar that I did earlier on in the year. The chakra deep dive, this is the one that I'll recreate for you today. The Lightworkers activation code, pivot. I did a pivot workshop around pivoting your business in the, you know, with the crisis that's happening. I did a Sales Queen 5-day challenge. So these are all the different things that I've created, and in MailChimp, you have to tag them. So that means that anytime you say you want to send an email to only the people who have done the challenge, then you have to select the tag, right? So I'm going to create a tag, and I'll just do an example one. I'm going to create that, and then that's added somewhere. There it is. That's added that tag for this particular challenge, which is just an example one. So now what I want to do is I want to go up into campaigns. And I want to create a landing page. So we go view by type. And here we can do an email. We can do an automated email. We can do a landing page, an ad. I've actually never really explored the other ones here. I've always only gone landing pages or emails. So I'm going to click landing page. It's going to be a bit slower because create campaign. Sorry. Okay. So I'll just show you with that. So I go to campaigns and then I go create campaign. And here is where I click landing page. So landing page name, example, chakra deep dive. Now I want to select my audience. So my audience, everyone, this is me just learning how to figure out MailChimp a few years ago. Everyone's on my Tash Ashwin newsletter. Okay, so I select that. And I personally, now you can use some of their templates, but personally, I like to just create my own. So I just generally go this one, grow your list. And this has the name option, so for people to put in their names. Okay, so this is where we start to get a little bit creative. So we go logo, right? We can go image here. And I've got some pre-uploaded things in here. So I'm going to click that. That's the, oh, that's wrong. Oh, I clicked the wrong one. I meant to click the other thing. Sorry, bear with me a sec. How do I get that out? I wanted that logo to go here. Sorry, just bear with me 1 minute. Clear. Why didn't I think of that? Okay, so here I am. I want to click replace your default logo. And I'm going to click this one. And that's bringing this up here. So now what I do, I have over in Canva the hex codes of all of the colors that I use in my branding. So if I click here as an example, and I click here, I'm going to use this purple. And then I click here and I click here. This is the hex code. Okay, so this is the actual number that that color is. So if I copy and paste and then come back over to getting started here, style. Now I sometimes have to fiddle around, even though I've created heaps of these. Sometimes I need to fiddle around with them. Here it is. There we go. So that's the background that I like for this one. Okay. So now big enticing headline. So this is all of the ones that I've done before. Okay. So that's the headline that I used. And then this is the information that I use here. So I'm just going to copy and paste all of this. Okay. So I could probably make that black instead of, there we go. That looks a bit more bold. So this is the landing page. All right. So here, what we do is we go first name, last name, and I like to have first name at the top. First name. Is it going to let me do that? Maybe I don't do that. Okay, so that's fine. Email address, first name, last name, save and close. Now this button here, I might make it that other color, that green that I like to use. So there it is there. And I click that again, copy, and I go down to button. Oh, I'm here. There's the button. There it is. And I'm going to make it this color that I really like. That's my branding color. Okay, see? So now that is nicely branded. Got the same colors in here as I do have down in here. So I save and close. Now this is here where I need to give it a title. So I've given it a title. And now what I need to do here, I need to edit audience because I need to add the tag. Okay, the tag is really important. So the tag is example chakra. And that means that whenever someone signs up to this particular opt-in, to this landing page, immediately they go straight into my newsletter list, and they also get tagged for the Chakra Deep Dive Challenge, right? So I can choose to send a broad email or a broad newsletter to my whole list, and they will get included. Or I can choose to send, which is what I'm going to do next, I can choose to send an email just to the people who have opted in for the challenge using the tag. Okay, so I'm going to save that. So this is the URL, okay? So what I need to do is copy and paste that, because when I paste that up in here, this is the link that I need to direct. Oh, it's not live yet. This is the link that I need to direct people to, okay? So we go publish. And now if I copy and paste that, there's my landing page, all right? So from here, what I need to do is send an email, all right? So welcome people to your audience. Automated welcome emails can help you. So this is the one that I like to use. So review email. So now as soon as someone opts in, I want them to receive the email with all of the information straight away, okay? Send subscribed contacts immediately after they join Tash Ashwin newsletter. I just want to make sure that that's the tag. Yeah, that should be fine. For now, it's just that once this is finished, I need to turn it off. Okay, I need to make sure that this gets turned off. So as soon as someone joins my newsletter via the opt-in, they get sent this email. Okay, so I can put in a heading. Woohoo! You're all registered. This is a preview text. So if you go over here, you can see the preview. Oh gosh, don't laugh at my 10,000 unread emails. You can see the preview right here. This is the preview. All of that comes up here. So the preview text. I'm so excited for you to join us. Okay. Now we need to edit the design of the email. So I'm going to make it look quite similar to the landing page to have it be branded. So here, I'm going to bring in that logo again, or that image. And then here, now in MailChimp, this here is the code that inputs the person's first name. Okay. So I'm going to take this one, and that's going to mean it'll say, hi, Leanne. Hi, Nikki. Hi, Tash. Right? That's really important. It's line star F name line star. Okay, that's the code. So now I want to go back over here, and I've got the information from the email. So I want to bring all of this in. Now, this is important if I want to create a hyperlink, right? So if I want someone to actually be able to click that link and it's going to take them somewhere, what I'm going to do is go over to Facebook. I'm going to go over to there you are, Leanne, to my business page, my Facebook group, Business Alchemy Collective. I'm going to grab the link. And this is the group that everything happens in, right? So it's really important that people know how to find that. So what I do is I highlight what I want to be hyperlinked. So when people click the Business Alchemy Collective, and then I need to press this little button up here. Link to a web address. You can link to an email, a file, a landing page. But I want to link to a web address, and I'm going to put that in there. I've got all of my information. What I like to do here is add a button. So if you wanted to add in an image, a boxed text, a divider, an image group, a video, a code, all of these different things, I'm going to add a button. And that button is going to say, join Facebook group now, or just join Facebook group. And I'm going to make that button this nice color that I like. I'm going to copy the hex code and paste it. Should work. Oh no, there's two. There you go. Now down here, I'm going to put my Instagram account /Tash Ashwin, Facebook /Tash Ashwin, and website www.tashashwin.com. Save. So that means that when people click on all of these things, it's going to take them directly to my my links, right? Which is quite important. Oh, hang on. I'm not ready to save and continue. Edit, design. What I do like to do is, I don't like this gray. I find that gray really off-putting. So I'm going to take it out. I go to style, I go to page, and I make no color. See how it just took the gray out? Or I could make it red. I could make it that. I could make it that if I wanted. But I think I'll just go with white. So that is the email. Oh, see down here, I don't like that either. Oh, I'm going to delete that. So I'm going to take away that gross gray and make it white. Save and continue. So start sending. Start now. So let's try this. All right. Campaigns. I want to get that link because I didn't save it. And there's the link. So if I put in my email, hopefully I'm going to get an email sent very quickly. It sometimes takes a bit of time. But essentially, that's how you make a landing page. Whilst it's very easy, I can do it very quickly now. It did take me quite a while to learn, to wrap my head around it. You just want to test it to make sure that you've actually gone through and had that automation connect in with the landing page. That's really important. But give it a shot. If there's any questions that you have, we can chat more about that. I know you're speaking with a MailChimp lady as well. But that's it. It's pretty simple. All righty. I hope that's helpful. Let me know how you go.